Happy Friday and welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, or if you're new here, welcome. This is Lindsay and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. I have a packed video for you today. We have, starting off part-time, social media responder from Crumbl Cookie. We have, I'm not sure if this one is going to be kind of like location specific, but we have a government agency hiring someone to kind of review for like Medicaid benefits, things like that. We literally have a company paying you to respond to social media comments and messages. They're paying $112,000 up to $215,000 a year. $112,000 is going to be a little over $2,000 a week. And then we have a company paying you like $1,200 to $1,250 a week to literally listen to those recorded phone calls, no talking. We have Starbucks hiring, and I also have a beauty company hiring customer support. So hopefully I have a mixed bag, a little bit of something for everyone. As always, timestamps to navigate around the video and links to all of the pages I'm sharing so you can read reviews on these companies, put those applications in, can always be found in the YouTube description box below this video. I do just want to ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. Now we're going to get through Crumbl Cookie very quickly because they're hiring for select states only, and those are only 3 states. Crumbl Cookie probably should need no introduction. They've made their worldwide debut with those huge cookies that everyone seems to have to try, like on TikTok and YouTube. They have 1,400 reviews, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.2 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a community specialist. This is part-time remote, and this is for the states of Utah, Idaho, and Texas only. But they're just looking for somebody to respond to their comments on social media platforms: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, kind of establishing relationships with those customers that frequent those platforms, just finding and managing all the online dialogue in which Crumbl is mentioned. You're kind of collecting user-generated content for social managers to post and repost, share in different places. Only requires great communication skills, great problem-solving skills, somebody who is highly organized. Sadly, they did not list pay for this one. It does say it's hourly paid. You will have to discuss the pay with them at the time of the interview. Now, going through this one quickly too, it does not say that it's state specific, but because it is Wake County government offices hiring, you might have to live in North Carolina. It doesn't state that. Please know I don't work for any of these companies. I'm simply sharing what I find online, but Wake County government is based out of North Carolina. They have 122 reviews, an overall rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for somebody to do quality assurance for their economic benefits. Economic benefits means people who are getting like Medicaid and things like that. So they are looking for somebody to kind of conduct compliance reviews on their FCMA applications, providing support for the program, just planning those quality reviews of family and children's Medicaid cases. You're reviewing the cases and making sure that they actually qualify for the benefits, keeping up with policy changes, kind of assisting and answering any policy questions, communicating with internal staff, gathering and analyzing any trends that you see. So you're going to do some reporting on the economic service management and making sure that the people who are getting these benefits actually qualify. So you're kind of assisting with policy reviews, newsletters, checklists, job aids for the NC FAST program. Now, they are looking for somebody who has a bachelor degree for this one. They don't say that it has to be in any specific field. 2 years of related experience. They do say they'll take equivalent education and experience, so you don't have to have the degree if you have a lot of experience. They're looking for somebody who does have experience kind of with FCMA programs or NC FAST itself, someone who can work with computers. Now, they are taking applications through March 10th, and pay for this one is anywhere from $23 an hour up to $32 an hour. Getting into some of these higher paying non-phone based jobs, we have Figma hiring. Figma has 174 reviews from past and current employees, then overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a community support specialist, and that is going to be for their online social media community. Please note this is a full-time role. You can be based out of any of their United States hubs or remotely throughout the United States. They don't have any state restrictions. It will require weekend work and weekend coverage though, but they are looking for somebody to kind of monitor their community and social media platforms. So their online personal community forum, Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it now, and then their other social media platforms, and just answer those comments, questions that come in through those non-phone social media platforms, answering any technical support questions for new and experienced Figma users. So you're helping moderate and organize the online community forum, making sure it's a safe place for their global community. And so if you identify any trends or areas of improvement, you'll make initiatives to get those areas improved. So you're kind of working internally with different teams to solve and escalate any technical issues that come up, bugs in the online systems, all of that, just collecting and prioritizing that customer feedback. You're going to help with like FAQ, product launch announcements, writing all of that documentation. Does not require any kind of college degree, just somebody who has 3 years of experience working in support or some kind of community environment, tech support, someone who has good technical capabilities, you have good communication skills, you have high attention to detail, and you have the willingness to listen to the customer and kind of take their feedback and put them first. Now this one pays really high. It pays anywhere from $112,000 a year. $112,000 a year would be about $2,153 a week, up to $215,000 a year. Now, if you have great customer service skills and you can kind of give somebody feedback on what they did good or what they need to improve themselves, Mosaic is hiring. They have 125 reviews, that overall rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a quality assurance associate. This is remote, and it says it can be based in most states in the United States. But they're looking for somebody just to monitor and evaluate their customer service calls. So you're listening to these recorded phone calls that have been recorded, and you're evaluating the quality of the customer interactions, making sure that the customer service rep adhered to company policies and gave accurate information in their phone conversation. So you are going to have kind of like a scorecard, and you're assessing them on the tone of their voice, the professionalism, the clarity, and of course the accuracy of the information they gave. And so then you're going to offer this constructive feedback and offer actionable recommendations to the customer service rep based on the evaluations of their calls. And so you might have to provide the customer service rep from training from time to time, but of course you're going to document all of your findings from your call assessments into the computer system. Also kind of looking while you're monitoring these calls and listening to these calls for any trends that happen to pop up. Again, no college degree, only high school diploma or GED is actually required. Of course, it's always a bonus if you have a college degree, but they're really just looking for somebody who has 3 to 5 years of experience in customer service, call center environment, something like that. Somebody who does have a little bit of experience in quality assurance or listening to calls, somebody who has strong active listening skills, great attention to detail, great problem solving, and analytical skills. Pay for this one is anywhere from $63,000 a year up to $65,000 a year. That would be about $1,200 to $1,250 a week. Now, I do want to start off with saying I'm not so sure on this company. They don't have the greatest reviews, but I wanted to share because it is a data entry job, and I know a lot of people are looking for data entry. So do your own research, make your own conclusions, but the company Weedmaps is hiring. This is going to be a cannabis company. They have 301 reviews. They have a really low rating, though, of 2.1 out of 5 stars. But they are looking for a temporary data entry associate, and this is remote, and you are basically interpreting and processing cannabis-related product information on the Weedmaps listing, entering it into the system, managing multiple data sources, making sure to inform accurate decisions. So you're observing and reporting any inconsistencies in the menu data that might create a poor customer experience. So you're reviewing, interpreting, and just entering data. It's straight data entry, not too much to say on that. You do have to have a high school diploma or GED and 1 year of kind of data entry or customer service experience. Other than that, somebody who is quality minded, you have great time management skills, you can kind of work with different computer systems like G Suite, Microsoft Office. Pay for this one is anywhere from $17.55 an hour up to $19.71 an hour. Next up, we have Starbucks hiring. I feel like Starbucks is always hiring here lately for work from home jobs. They probably need no introduction. 82,000 reviews, an overall rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a pro shared services analyst for their partner contact center. That is a mouthful. This is remote for the United States. They are taking applications that looks like through March 8th of 2025. Yes, it is remote, and pay is anywhere from $23.75 an hour up to $40.34 an hour. But they're really looking for somebody to kind of work with their human resources department on policies and practices, benefits and pay, just maintaining and enhancing the initiatives that support the Starbucks work culture. So you're answering a high volume of inbound calls in a fast-paced environment, delivering that quality service for a positive partner experience. So you're kind of answering phone calls from employees on HR-related issues and benefits. You're going to apply your critical and active listening skills to kind of diagnose the issues with the callers, communicate different Starbucks policies, processes, and provide information to the employees in a timely manner. You do have multiple computer systems. You're going to have to research and troubleshoot issues as they come up. They do prefer a bachelor degree. It doesn't say that it's required. It does say it is preferred. But they're looking for somebody who has worked in a customer service environment, call center before, somebody who can be a problem solver, work in a fast-paced environment, somebody who can coach and lead others, and of course, somebody who continuously improve experience. You're always working on yourself as far as working and helping on others too. They do want somebody who has some experience in human resources as well. And then sticking with kind of that customer service theme, if you're a beauty lover, Xtreme Lashes is hiring. They have 75 reviews and overall rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a customer success representative for their account management. This is full-time remote. So with this job, you're going to be assigned a geographic location, a regional kind of a part of the United States that you're responsible for the Xtreme Lashes accounts for that area, and you're going to be that lead point of contact for all Xtreme Lash matters for your area that you've been assigned. So related to customers within your assigned territory, you are their point of contact, just engaging with them with your personality and strong sales experience, providing services, handling calls, emails, text, chats, all the things that are coming in from the customers. You're trying to give them information on new products and upsell them with other products as well, kind of educating them on all the Xtreme Lash products and resolving, clarifying, validating any customer needs on an ongoing basis. Now, they are looking for somebody who is comfortable engaging with customers through different means, not only on the phone or through email, but also like maybe some face-to-face and maybe like virtual conferencing like Zoom, Google Meets, Microsoft Teams, things like that. You do have to have reliable internet, somebody who's had 2 years of a customer service experience. So you have to have great skills in kind of working with people, making those business relationships. Of course, you've got to be able to navigate around a computer. No college degree is needed for this one, and sadly, they did not list pay. That will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. If you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I hope everyone has a fabulous weekend ahead, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.